resurrection morning. Okay. This morning, in the 11th hour, Jesus came through for me. And I always believe that if I need to tell or need to preach, it needs to be personal. Because then I can relate. I can relate to it. So whatever you might be going through, whatever is going on in your life, whatever cross you are bearing at the moment, whether it is a mental thing, you're feeling anxious, whether it is people that is attacking you, whether it is bullying, whether it is something at your house, violence, domestic violence, whether you guys are financially stricken, whatever the case may be, God will come through for you.
Amen.
We just don't know when. That's why we need to fight. That's why we need to take up our cross and fight back. And we need to pray, even if we don't feel like it. We need to pray in the Spirit and say, God, I'm a child of you, man. I know it's not going that good at the moment, but I believe there's going to be a resurrection morning. So, please don't lose hope. Your miracle might look different than the next person's miracle. Your issue is different from the next person's issue. But God knows each of us individually. He knows our hearts. He knows how we feel. He knows where we live. He knows the conditions we're in.